to make a Latin house record, what we're going to aim is we're going to aim for that groove. We're going to look for very short, generally speaking, basses. We're going to look for long drums that give us a lot of tail to the sounds, and that make us get into that vibe of dancing with the drums. So bass is important, but the most important thing here is the drums and the kick. So we're going to dive deep into those. Thinking about Latin house arrangement, what we're going to aim is for not so long breakdowns, but we're going to aim for a constant like groove on the song. We're going to try to make all the song be like more or less like a drop, taking out things, taking back things, and we will try to do one long break in the song, which is going to give us tension to go back into the drop and to get people dancing again. So we're going to start a song from scratch. We're going to try to get something cool working together. I'll show you the process on getting that done correctly. So let's go.